Yeah. Bed rock. That's trap. Range Rover in the back, ass fat, nails matte. Make your nigga wanna slide me a stack. Baby hair, skin clear, ching ching. All I hear.
Hey best friends, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do my acrylic press-ons. I get asked about this a lot. And today we have new music by my best friend. She dropped a new EP. Go follow her and download her new music and tell her Sin sent you. So I just want to start off by saying I am not a licensed professional. I'm doing this on myself. If you want to follow my directions, then that's up to you, okay? But I just got tired of going to the nail shop and them doing my nails not how I want them to, or shaping them not how I want them to, and they expected me to pay. So I started doing my own nails, and I've been doing my nails for years now. So let's get right into it. So what I did first was prep my nails. I used the hand file instead of my drill to prep my nails because I do not want to damage my nails. My nails are very healthy right now, so I used the hand file and I buff or file my nails lightly, and then I find what press-ons I want to use at the time. I do have two different types of press-ons, and I also have tips. I get all of these from Amazon, and the glue that I am going to use for this video is by Young Nails. I'll see if I can find their brand on Amazon. If I cannot, I'll put a glue that's similar to that. So I like to take my drill and I like to buff the underneath the press-on nail because it helps adhere to my nail better, and it makes my longevity of my nails last longer. And then after I do that, I'll buff off the extra residue that's on there, and then I fit it on my nails to make sure that it's the perfect nail for me. So you guys can use it as a regular press-on. You can put it all the way up to your cuticles, but see me, I like my nails longer, so I like to put it like 3/4 of my nail, and then I'll glue it down that way. So you definitely want to apply pressure because you do not want bubbles in your glue and your nail, alright? So you could take your drill or your hand file and you want to buff the line of demarcation. It'll just make the application more smoother. But do not file your nail that is exposed. So just file the plastic part that's on top of your nail. And you just want to make that smooth and have a nice gradient into your nail. Alright, and then after you do that, buff the rest of the tip or your press-ons so a product that we're going to use can adhere to the tip.
Range Rover in the back, ass fat, nails matte, make your nigga wanna slide.
And you want to repeat this step on all of your nails.
All I hear in my ear when I'm trying to get the bag. New trap, different type of flex. Nasty bitch, it's a different type of sex. Breaking his pockets, the only thing that keep me wet. He be playing with a meal, ain't had a taste yet. Yeah, your nigga is a walking lick. You be calling him boyfriend, I be calling him trick. Like 877 cash now, nigga. Better hurry up and do it with a smile, nigga. You know how the story go. They be thinking they the one, but they really the hoes. So next time your nigga don't text back, just know we in the Benz with my kitty in his lap. Your nigga is a walking lick. Hey, I got the sauce for real. I got the sauce for real. Got it. Can't stop pulling these bitches, niggas. I got the sauce for real. I got the sauce for real. Got it. Verse 2, you know how these niggas do. So you know we never choose them, we just pick them like fruit. I respond to a text, I don't never send nudes. I just tell him what I want and I say it real rude. Had this nigga named Tate from the Bay. He had an attitude like in WA. He had a bitch named Shay, she be mad when he pay. So she call my phone black, tryna play all day. Had this nigga named Michael, kinda psycho. Drive a Lambo, pipe game nitro. But he always got a baby on the way.
Alright, after all of that, this is what your nails should look like. And now it's time for shaping. So I'm going to take my 180 grit hand file, alright, and then I am going to shape them out a little bit. The view or angle for this was kind of iffy. This is my first time ever filming a nail tutorial or a how-to or whatever. So I gotta get the whole angle situation down. But basically I'm just filing my nails and shaping them up. They're already in the shape that you need. You just want to finalize the shape of them. Alright, so just make the knot lines more crisp and everything like that. So just follow what I'm doing. This is hard to explain because this is not my area of expertise, but you know, I'm trying.
I got the sauce for real. I got the sauce for real.
And you just want to repeat that on the rest of your fingers.
Yeah. Bed rock. That's trap. Range Rover in the back, ass fat, nails matte. Make your nigga wanna slide me a stack. Baby hair, skin clear, ching ching. All I hear in my ear when I'm trying to get the bag. New trap.
And this is what they look like, all shaped up, and I'm just going to dust them off. The brush I'm using is actually from the crayon case. This is one of the brushes I got. So, to lay the acrylic overlay, I am going to use clear acrylic from ASP. I got that from Sally's. And then my OPI gel top coat. This is a white top coat, wipe top coat. So that means you're going to have to wipe it. But I think this process will probably work better with a no wipe top coat, okay? So basically what I'm doing is where that line of demarcation is, I'm going to put some gel polish there. And I am going to use this little like ladle or sucker thing that I found that works perfectly. And I'm going to apply the acrylic to the gel. And after you do that, you want to put your hand in the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And you will be surprised with the outcome. Like, oh my God. So apply the gel to where your press-on meets your nail, where the demarcation is, and then you want to either dip your finger in the acrylic or kind of pour the acrylic on your finger. But you just want to make sure that the acrylic gets on the gel and it turns matte. And that's what you want to do for the first layer of your nails, because you're going to build your apex. And this is just going to give your nails some structure to make them last long and so they won't bend or break. Apply the gel where the demarcation is. Then pour your acrylic on top or dip your finger inside. And after it turns matte, you want to tap off the extra powder. So if you get some gel on your skin, just wipe it off. And that's what I was doing with my file. I was just wiping off the excess gel that got on my finger. And then pour the acrylic on. And after you do that, you want to tap off the rest. And once you do all your fingers, you want to sit your hand inside a UV LED lamp for 60 seconds so the gel can harden.
You know how the story go. They be thinking they the one, but they really the hoes. So next time your nigga don't text back, just know we in the Benz with my kitty in his lap. Your nigga is a walking lick. Hey, I got the sauce for real. I got the sauce for real. Got it. Can't stop pulling these bitches, niggas. I got the sauce for real. Got it. I got the sauce for real. Got it. Verse 2, you know how these niggas do. So you know we never choose them, we just pick them like fruit. Might respond to a text, I don't never send nudes. I just tell them what I want and I say it real rude. Had this nigga name tape from the back.
Okay, so after you take your hand off the lamp, you want to dust off the residual products because you're going to add some more gel. So you're going to apply your gel to your entire nail at this point, because now we're going to build up the thickness of the entire nail. So you're going to apply the gel in a nice thin coat, and then you want to either dip your finger into the powder or you want to pour the powder onto your finger. Either one will work, okay? So you want to do that to your entire hand. Okay, you guys, so I did 3 layers in total. All right, I just didn't show you the last layer because it's repetitive. I just took it from, I just applied the gel from the cuticle to the tips of the nail, and then I dipped it and cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so I did 3 total applications of the acrylic dip. All right, so now I'm just going to take my 180 grit and I am going to shape the nails. You really do not need your hand drill for this because, you know, when you're applying the gel, you're applying it perfect, so you won't necessarily have any issues where you really have to file your nails down a lot. So it's already going to be in the shape you want. You just want to smooth it out. So that's what I'm just doing here. Alright, and after I shaped them, I went to go wash my hands, and this is what my nails look like. So this is why I told you that you possibly will want a no wipe top coat, because the white top coat will leave like speckles of the acrylic in your nails, and the no white top coat won't do that. Okay, so this is what my nails are looking like. They pretty banging to me. Like, I did a great job, and this is a real easy way to get acrylic nails fast on the budget, and you ain't gotta go to the nail shop. I'm just saying, they got the thickness, they got the length you want, whatever. They're super easy. These are literally dip nails, okay, because it's super easy. But do you see the little speckles that I'm talking about? So you definitely want to do a no wipe top coat for this. The polish I'm going to use for my nails today is OPI Samoan Sand. This is not a gel polish. This is a regular polish, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of Samoan Sand and 1 coat of top coat. So this is the end of the video, you guys. All I'm going to do is just apply the polish. I will definitely leave all the products that I use down below, and if I can't find the products on Amazon, I'll leave a similar product that you can use. Alright? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye best friends.
Just know we in the Benz on my kitty in his lap. Your nigga is a walking lick.